Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik R11 Pro reciprocating saw. So inside, you get the user manual, charging cable, the various blades, a storage pouch, and the saw. So briefly going over some specs, this is a brushless power system. It has a max speed of 0 to 2200 strokes per minute. Battery capacity is 2000 milliamp hours. Product dimension of 8.9 by 2.4 inches. It weighs in at 595 grams. 3 blade types. Smart display. It has a safety design, 2-step start, smart alert and work light, and easy charging with the USB-C port. All right, so taking a look at the saw, you can see that it's very light and easily can be handled with one hand. You have the display here on the front along with the power button, and then on the side here you have the stepless design for adjusting the speed. The top you have the LED light, and then on the side here you have a safety button that will allow you to release the blade and then also lock it into place. So you can see the top here, it has the lock and unlock direction. So basically you just press the safety button here, and then you'll be able to twist the top like so and then insert the blade. On the bottom you have the USB-C charging port, and then it does have sort of like a textured grip here so it doesn't slip. Powering it up, you can see the display. You have the circle there that will tell you the battery level, and then again on the side here it's a stepless design, so if you push this button up, you can see the saw start to go to work. And then on the top you have an LED light that will help you in dark environments. So it comes with 5 blades. You have a 24 TPI, teeth per inch. This is used for thin and soft metal. And then you get 2 6 TPI, which is also used for wood, and then 12 TPI, you get 2 of those. So the 6 TPI, this is labeled speed for wood, and then the 12 TPI, it's labeled clean for wood. The blades also come with a storage case, so very useful and you won't misplace them. Now I'm going to show you how to install the blade. We'll use the 12 TPI, the one for wood. And then as mentioned earlier, there is this safety button. So you want to press that down, hold it like so, and then you'll be able to twist the top to the unlock position. And then you just want to insert the blade like so, and then let go. Now it's in the lock position and the blade is secure. And then to remove the blade, same procedure, just press the button, twist, and then you'll be able to pull it out. Now I have the blade installed. I powered it up. You can see the light on the top. So this is how it looks with the blade installed. Again, you can easily handle this with just one hand. So now I'll increase the speed. So that's from the slow all the way to the fast, 0 to 2200 strokes per minute. Now let's test it out on this piece of wood. I have the 12 TPI blade on. I'll probably start off on the middle speed and then increase as necessary. Okay, there you have it. It was able to cut it. I was at about mid speed and then I increased it as it was cutting through. So nice clean cut, and I did it fairly quick. So that's a look at the Fanttik R11 Pro reciprocating saw. Very versatile, perfect for, you know, those small jobs, whether you're cutting metal or wood, and you can easily handle it with one hand. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.